Happy birthday, Mom.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Papa. How old you turning?
21.
Oh.
I can drink now.
Not bad.
You know, believe it or not, this is actually the first place I ever had hot pot in my life. My gungung would take me here and we would just order a bunch of beef, no vegetables, just straight up fatty beef. I'll pay for next time.
Are you sure?
Yeah,
Okay.
Burger King. Now, is the quality great here? Not really. Do I see some bugs and rodents running around every now and then? Yeah. Did the excess of meat here lead to me and my grandpa getting gout? Most likely. But they do make really good sauce here. It's cheaper than most spots and I have a lot of fond memories here. So you could say that this place is really special to me. You know, I try to do this more often, take myself out to eat at places that me and my grandpa love to eat together, but you know, I'm never alone because I do make sure he's eating with me. So, it's my papa's birthday, the first without my gungung. I think personally, I start to feel fine without my grandpa, but then when it's days like this, like holidays and birthdays, I start to feel it all over again. But I know for a fact he wouldn't want me to be sad for my grandma. He'd want me to make this the best birthday ever for her. So what am I gonna do? I think my grandpa would want me to cook for her. Mind you, I'm not a cook. Like the cooking gene in my family did not get passed down to me. So either she'll like it or it's so bad that it'll make her and my grandpa laugh. Either way, it's a win. But none of this B-roll is me. It's actually my dad. And of course, we can't have the chance of bad food, so just in case, my dad is gonna cook for her too. Okay, enough of that. Time for the real chefs to enter the building.
Ben.
The one dish that has always stuck with me was yokbeong, aka the pork patty. Not only is it easy to make, but it means the most to my family. A dish we always order when we're at a Chinese restaurant. But to be honest, my family hasn't been out to eat at restaurants or Chinese restaurants for a while. So why not bring some of our family's favorites to my grandma? It's also a dish my dad and grandpa both made routinely, either for videos or not. My grandpa's YouTube short of this dish actually got millions and millions of views. And I'm not gonna tell you how to make it. I have another video to do that. But making this dish does take me back to when my grandpa showed me how to make it. And him telling me you gotta chop to a beat.
It's all set. Good, funny. Everybody like you.
Like I kid you not, making this dish will make you a better dancer. Bowls galore.
Smack that.
Once she's thick and smoothed out, time to steam for 25 minutes. While we wait for that to finish steaming, I'm gonna make some homemade desserts. This egg tart recipe is something I've been tweaking for a minute. For Papa's birthday, I gotta make homemade egg tarts. Homemade.
Homemade with lots of love.
Homemade, lots of love, from scratch, no preservatives, all natural. It's basically from Portugal. Definitely not from Costco. Everything was made with love. I had to do something special for my grandma this time. Definitely not from Costco. I repeat, not from Costco. That ice on the sides, that's just part of the fermentation process I've been working on. Don't worry about it. It's supposed to look like that. It's supposed to look like that. Toss it in the oven, now we wait. Oh snap, my pork patty's done. Looks beautiful, and because of editing magic, oh snap, my homemade Definitely not from Costco egg tarts are done too. I want to repeat, this is homemade. Definitely not from Costco.
Hot. Hot and real.
You were in pain, but you kept going for the camera. I respect it.
I think I might have another one.
Alright, relax.
Squish, squish. Squish, squish.
Gotta love homemade Don Tots. I really outdid myself with this one. Oh damn, well, we got some time to kill. I'll show you more of the ASMR cinematic B-roll of my dad cooking before we bring it to grandma's. With the help of family, good food, and some adult beverages,
Why did you move it?
Fancy. No. Very good.
everybody, especially my grandma, had a good time during her birthday. I think my grandpa wouldn't have it any other way. Seeing us all together and smiling again, eating homemade food, some cooked by yours truly.
We made it with love.
I don't believe
And of course, the old pastime of talking about old Chinese singers.
it. He's famous, very famous in Taiwan, in China. This song, Mama Day, I like that. Da, dee, da, 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 da. But I don't know how to play that. Gong Gong Da here, always he know how to
Was
sing.
it on the record player?
You don't know how to use the record player?
I don't always
show you.
Gong Gong play.
Even though it hurts not having him around, like I said at the beginning of the video, I always make sure he's with us.
The napkin kind of matched your shirt.
Yeah, kind of, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, fancy.
For the birthday?
Very good.
Alright.
Everybody happy. Everybody healthy, okay?
Thank you.
Yay.